Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday Tracie at Mental Mama. It's an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Nail Gems. Our theme was tattoos. I've got on Baby Girl Lacquer's Glitter Be Gone, and I'll be using Polish, and this is Cloudberry. So pretty. It's a very flesh tone, but it's got little like red flecks in it. And I'll also be using Maniology, and this is Queen of Hearts. Came in a Mani by Me box. And here we go with the first coat of Cloudberry. This is like real mannequin hands for me, except it's got a little bit of something in it. And I really did like that. I thought that was really cool. Hi, Woody. How you doing? There we go. On to the next one. And this is Queen of Hearts by Maniology. It's not a stamping polish. It's a regular polish. And the way you can tell is it's in a different bottle. Just in case you needed to know. It's very jelly-like, squishy with like a ton of flakies in it. It's very pretty. Alright, we're going to go in for our second coat. Need to get some more polish on the brush. Get that second coat of Cloudberry down. And I think 2 coats is going to be good on this one. So we're not going to have to fuss with that anymore. We'll let it go at 2 coats. Alright, and then Queen of Hearts. We're going to go in for our second coat. And it really does look good at 2 coats, but I am going to do a third coat. Just try to build that up some more. Do that third coat real quick. And I'm wearing that on my pinky, my pointer, and my thumb. And I've got the Cloudberry on my 2 accent fingernails. I am going to top these all with some Out the Door by I&M. It's a fast dry top coat I get from Sally's Beauty, or you can get it on Amazon. Cap that free edge real quick. Ta-da! Okay. Hi, Woody. Back again. Alright. And I'd already done my pinkies, so let's just go in here with my pointer. Put some top coat on that. Squishy juiciness. I just love those polishes that just like those flakies look like they're floating. Love them. Alright. Here is my swatch photo of them on their own. And I'll be using Maniology MXM024 today. Got a couple of images picked out. And we'll see. And I'll be stamping with Bases Loaded Lacquer on the black. Got out my H. La Cosadora scraper and a couple of stampers. Because I'm going to fill these images in. This was the closest to like a true looking tattoo kind of plate that I could find in my collection. But you know, almost any image really could be a tattoo image. I mean, I've seen people get tattoos of all sorts of things. But I'm going to fill these in with that Queen of Hearts. Just to make them pop a little bit and kind of blend the manicure together some. So I will have a link down below, or a hashtag rather, for you to go check out the other manicures in this collaboration if you'd like to do that. If you'd like to go check out the manicures for our Mental Mama. Alright, so I've got a little dab of the polish out there, and we're just going to use a dotting tool and dot some of these, dot some of these, some of this polish in to this design. And if you hear noise, that's Cotton in the background. He's bed surfing, getting all crazy. Alright, well that looks pretty good. I like that. We're going to let that dry. And we're going to fill in the other one. And it's kind of like roses with a banner. And I really couldn't read the banner until later. And then I realized it said love, hate. Just so you know, there was no hate involved in this. All love. But I was already committed at this point. So we're just going to go with it. You really can't read what it says anyway, unless you're like really up on it. And so we're just going to go with it. I just thought the pretty flowers would be cool. And that one turned out pretty good. I'm going to set them aside to completely dry, and then I'm going to go in with the Maniology Sticky Base Coat and get these to transfer from the stamper to my nails relatively easy. And here we go. Ta-da! Very nice. Love it. Trying to figure out how I want to position it. Let's just... There we go. Commit, girl. We're going to top these with a smudge-free top coat. This side of the decal has not had anything on it, so I didn't want to smear this. So we're going to put just a little thin coat of this on. Let it dry down. And next I'm going to add on some Poshe top coat. It's my fast dry or quick dry glossy top coat that I love so much. I'm going to get that on there. I'm going to cap the free edge. And there it is. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and put on a coat of the Poshe on the other nails also. Just to kind of plump them up, make them all pretty. There it is. So pretty. Here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.